Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you the Gabriela dance. Because I'm such a baby.
Okay.
Guys, I have a trick question. Is Sofia really Filipino in Cat's Eye? Okay, when you comment, I'm gonna teach you how to do the Gabriela dance. You can also do it in your phone if you want, okay? Okay, come on, let's go.
So am I gonna be there?
Yeah.
You stay then.
Okay. So
Alright,
guys,
I'm
he's gonna
the
sing.
student.
Yeah. Okay, so you can do this.
I will the one who will sing. Okay, 3,
2,
2, 1. Hands up, Gabriela. Gabriela, hands up, Gabriela, la la. Back up, na 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 la. Na 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 ba, Gabriela, la la. Kati-kati oh. So you teach me now.
Okay,
First
so
one.
guys, first you need to actually be fast. You need to follow to the song, like hands up,
Like this,
Gabriela.
close.
No, first you need to do like this.
Ah,
Guys,
like this.
do this, okay? You need to follow
Wait, I
this.
can't.
This.
Okay. And then,
And then do like this.
wow, like a magic then?
Yeah, like
Okay.
first
Now-
do this, and then do that.
So 1, 2, 3, like this, Kamehame wave.
No, not like this. Like
Ah.
this.
Like this. Wow, it's so hard naman oh.
Yes, you do it. You did it.
Like that. Okay, like this. Oh, like a magic guys. Okay,
Or you can do like this.
let's do it.
Or you can do this. This looks easy.
There.
Look. I
Okay,
learned
okay.
it from TikTok.
Okay, come on. 1, 2, hey yo. 1, 2, 3. Slowly lang. Hands up, Gabriela. Gabriela, hands up. You didn't tell me about that. Only the hands.
Hands
And then how about the
up,
body?
Okay. So when they're doing, I wanna do like this. No, Papa, wait lang. Then you do. I'm begging you.
Hands
Up,
up,
Gabriela.
Gabriela. Okay.
You can actually.
Like this.
You can sometimes do like
Like a
this.
goat?
Hands up, Gabriela. Gabriela.
It's like sex bomb dancer. Only. Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, because cats are such a berry.
Okay.
Philippines.
1, 2, 3. Like this first.
No,
Go,
I just
three.
need to do that.
Go.
I'm begging
Hands
you.
Up. Hands
Up,
up, Gabriela. Gabriela.
Hands up,
Gabriela.
First, you need to
Oh my
do
God,
like
I can't.
this.
Like this.
And hands up,
Gabriela.
You need to be like, you need to jump. Hands up, Gabriela.
Oh, gee.
Or you can do like this. I'm begging you.
Then the rap. And then the rap.
No, let me do it. Let me do
Okay,
it.
you also sing it.
Isuka langin kami ng
Yes,
siba. Sisuka sumini sa rinatan niya.
galing ah.
Lika lamite katalate. No. Ayun kami na kami latte
And
niya.
then the backup dance.
Sisuka sumini sa rinatan niya. Lika lamite katalate. No. Hands up, Gabriela. Hands up, Gabriela. La la.
Galing ah. Oh my God, that's it.
Yes, I'm so tired of teaching you guys.
Okay, say bye na.
Bye. You want? Comment down below if you want me to teach you how to boxing. I will do it. Bye.